In today's video, we'll dive into a mysterious charge that has been causing a lot of concern among PayPal users, now which is called the Margin Holdings Limited charge. And many individuals have reported unfamiliar charges on their statements, often with no clear indications of what they are for. All right. So in case you have seen this charge and maybe you felt it was suspicious, then you're not alone. And the goal today of this video, okay, is to shed light on what this charge entails and also steps that you can take to resolve it and tips to help you to prevent unauthorized transactions. All right. So thank you very much for being on this channel. If this is your first time of being here, then I talk about credit card charges and also several other, information regarding credit card. I've been in some forums and, private communities where when I see people lament about, credit card charges, then I come here to tell you my best verdict about the charge. And also, I make research about them. So if that interests you, go ahead, click the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos regarding credit card charge. Now, let's try and identify this charge. All right. Now, when examining the credit card statements, I've seen a lot of users that have found a line, items which has been labeled had margin holding limited, okay, which is often linked to PayPal. Now, a lot of people, the amount range from 24 dollars to $78 recurring monthly, okay, or some people also appearing unexpectedly, okay. So in some cases, several users have also noticed variations in transaction descriptions, okay, that kind of make it difficult to identify the company or service behind the charge. So this lack of clarity often spark confusion and concern, prompting users to investigate further. All right. And several users have reported having no previous dealing with a company called Margin Holdings Limited. However, upon closer examination, several users have discovered that these charges are often tied to unauthorized subscriptions. Okay. So, a pattern emerged as some users unwittingly became subscribed to services after a purchase, only to see recurring charges later on. So some of my research are also from PayPal community forums, which are also filled with similar complaints. And a lot of people suggested that this issue is not isolated. Now, other affected individuals have also highlighted that, contacting PayPal to dispute these charges can be challenging, okay, with a lot of responses varying in helpfulness, okay. So let's talk about some steps that you can take in case you encounter this charge. So these are some steps that have proven effective for others in resolving this issue, okay. So the first thing you want to do is to contact PayPal directly. You can begin by reaching out to PayPal customer support to dispute the charge, okay, and also ensure that you explain the charge is unauthorized, okay, in case you did not consent to a subscription, okay. And another thing is you want to examine automatic payment settings, okay. So you want to review your pre-approved payments within PayPal to locate any subscriptions associated with Margin Holdings Limited. So if you experience this, you want to cancel them immediately to prevent further charges. All right. Another one is you want to contact your bank or card issuer. So reaching out to your bank or credit card company to report the unauthorized charge, and you can request that a block future transactions from this source. Okay. Always make sure that you document everything. So you need to keep a record of all communications and responses from both PayPal and your bank. So this will be helpful if the charge escalates to collections, or if you need to provide evidence. Another one you want to do is to report to customer protection agencies. So if the issue remains unresolved, then you can consider filing a complaint with a consumer protection agency or reporting the incident to the Better Business Bureau for further support. So these are the steps that you can take in case you experience this charge from Margin Holdings Limited. Now let's talk about some preventive tips for you in case you kind of experience this, or things that you can do so that such will not happen in the future. So to help safeguard against unauthorized charges, here are some essential preventive tips. Now the first one is you want to monitor your statements regularly. You might want to review your credit card and PayPal statements at least once a month to catch unfamiliar charges early. Another thing is you want to use strong account security. So try to enable two-factor authentication and use complex passwords to protect your PayPal account from unauthorized access. Also, you want to avoid free trial linked to recurring payments. because I've seen some free trials that automatically enroll you in recurring subscriptions. So try as much as possible to check the terms before signing up to avoid eating charges. You want to review automatic payments periodically because periodically checking your pre-approved payment, it kind of sets in PayPal to identify and cancel any unnecessary or unauthorized subscriptions. The final thing here is to dispute unauthorized transactions immediately. So in case you spot a charge you didn't authorize, then report it to both PayPal and your bank without delay to increase your chances of a refund. So those are the things that I have for you here today regarding preventive tips and measures that you can take so that such kind of charge will not happen from PayPal. Now, in summary, the margin holdings limited PayPal charge has affected a lot of users, often appearing unexpectedly and also causing confusion. So you taking quick actions can, help you to resolve these charges, but awareness and vigilance are also essential to prevent them from occurring in the first place. Now, if you've experienced something similar, then feel free to share in the comments, okay, to help others in the community right there on YouTube. And also remember that staying proactive with your account monitoring and security can also go a long way in protecting yourself against unexpected charges. If this video has been helpful, then please try as much as possible to hit the red subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos regarding credit card charges on this channel. And also, if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And don't forget to turn on the notification so that you can be notified immediately I drop credit card videos right there. And don't forget, make sure you comment your thoughts in the box below if you've experienced something like this, and if there's something or any measure that you've taken that worked for you and help you to solve this problem, then please don't hesitate to drop your thoughts below. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day.